Okay, so with pop shove-its, if you, did I do a shove-it tutorial? I don't know if I did a shove-it tutorial. Let me know if you want to see me do a shove-it tutorial and break it down how I do them. But we're gonna skip that step for right now, and we're gonna do pop shove-its. Pop shove-it was like that trick. You would see it in all the video games. Me specifically, Tony Hawk Pro Skateboarder. I'd be Kareem Campbell or somebody, and that pop shove-it was just so steezy. It was like pop, and you just land it. It's one of those feel-good tricks that, like, you could do them off of stairs. You could do them flat ground, and it's just like, you feel like you're doing something in the skate game. Skate game meaning real life. But here we go. Okay. So, with this trick, you can do flat ground or in the grass. I'm preferring flat ground right now, but if you are still kind of getting your balance and mobility on the board, yeah, do it in the grass. But with the pop shove-it, I'm gonna put, it's kind of similar to my ollie positioning, but instead of my back foot right here, I kind of put my feet in more like this, kind of like a click of the heels. I use my toes. It accesses my toes more, so this can kick this way. And the front foot, I'm just gonna be moving it. I'm gonna be moving it this way. It's my guide. So after I pop the board, this one's gonna bring it over, and then it's gonna let it go to the back foot. So it's like transitioning. It's a pop, and you're just throwing the board this way with your toes. You can feel it move. And soon as it gets to right here, let it go and bring your foot back so you can catch that one. That back foot will be back there waiting for it, and you stomp it. All right, let's do it for real now. So what happens if you start landing primo during the shove-it? It's because you're putting too much pressure, like a pressure flip. So you're putting pressure this way on the board, and you're putting pressure that way. And when you're pushing it down, it's creating this pressure effect to where it turns sideways rather than a pop, then a move. Okay, back to it. All right, so last word of advice for the shove-it. Just pop your tail just enough and move your foot back just enough to create that movement. This guides it around. That's it. Simple as that. Only way to learn them is to go out there and do them. I love y'all. Stay persistent, stay consistent, and keep loving. All right, peace. Outsiders, baby.